Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we will show you the latest smartwatches, the Vivo iQOO Watch GT and Vivo Watch GT. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two smartwatches come with 2 ATM water grade and eSIM. Display features. Both smartwatches come with 1.85 inches AMOLED display and the same display features. Next, compare the battery features. They offer 21 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Both smartwatches come with Bluetooth 5.3, GPS and NFC. Next, compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.